It's showtime. What's your show? Oh.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you want to see this movie?
Okay.
Okay, but don't take any more pictures in the movie.
Okay.
And don't drink water in the movie either. But you might get saucy. Alright, maybe can drink some water. And don't take a picture. So it's in the movie. Cause we don't want pictures. Memo. So it's. I can see him taking a picture. So it's. Don't take a picture. So it's good.
Okay, fine.
So